Bratyabrata Basu Roy Chowdhury, also known as Bratya Basu, is an Indian actor, stage director, playwright, film director, professor and a politician. Basu was West Bengal's Minister for Education till May 2014 and was then assigned the tourism portfolio. He was elected as an MLA from the Dum Dum constituency in 2011 Assembly election of West Bengal. Bratya Basu was born in Calcutta to Professor Dr. Bishnu Basu and educational administrator Dr. Nitika Basu. His early name was Bratyabrata Basu Roy Chowdhury. He came from the Basu Roy Chowdhury family at Ulpur. He studied Bangla at Presidency College and Calcutta University. Bratya Basu started his career as a sound operator for the theatre group Ganakrishti and soon started writing and directing plays with the group. The themes of his writings focus on political fantasy, nature-human relationships, connection between music and life, ethical values and its lack, conflict between love and revolt, bonding between time and culture. Bratya Basu joined City College, Kolkata as an assistant professor in the Department of Bengali. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.